Let me ask you something personal, Manto Man. When was the last time you woke up in the morning and felt that same solid confidence you used to have years ago? You know what I'm talking about? That effortless, natural firmness that made you feel alive, masculine, and ready to take on the day. If that's been fading, you're not alone. For millions of men over 50, those strong morning erections become rare, and with them goes a quiet sense of vitality, pride, and energy. Most guys shrug it off as just aging. But what if I told you that in many cases it isn't your age, it's your nutrient levels? I'm Dr. Norah Haines, a board-certified urologist with over 12 years of experience helping men restore their hormonal health and circulation naturally. And today I'm going to reveal the 3 vitamins you should be taking at night if you want to wake up with stronger, more reliable morning erections without pills, pumps, or embarrassment. Stay with me until the end because I'll explain exactly how they work together, when to take them, and how a few simple nighttime habits can reignite your body's natural power while you sleep. Before we dive in, tap that like button, subscribe for clear, science-based men's health tips, and comment below where you're watching from. I love seeing where our community of strong men is tuning in from. Let's clear the air. Morning erections aren't just about desire. They're a vital sign of your body's inner health. When your hormones, blood vessels, and nervous system are firing on all cylinders, your body naturally produces firm morning erections. When they weaken or disappear, it's your body's quiet way of saying, hey, something inside needs attention. Here's the empowering part. Your body hasn't forgotten how to perform, it just needs the right tools, and some of the most powerful ones are simple nutrients that work while you sleep. Over the past 12 years in urology, I've seen the same pattern over and over. Men come to me worried about their stamina, their drive, and their confidence. They think they've lost it, but after running their blood work, I often find low levels of key vitamins and minerals, especially vitamin D, magnesium, and vitamin C. Once those are restored, along with a few smart timing tweaks, their morning energy returns, their mood lifts, and they start feeling like themselves again. So let's count down the top nutrients that quietly rebuild your hormones, circulation, and morning performance one night at a time. 3. Vitamin D, the hormone switch. You've heard it called the sunshine vitamin, but after 50, your skin becomes less efficient at producing vitamin D. And most men spend far more time indoors than in direct sunlight. The result, nearly half of all men over 50 have insufficient vitamin D, and that shortage directly impacts testosterone production. Biologically, here's what happens. Vitamin D acts like a foreman at the hormonal construction site. Without it, your body can't efficiently convert cholesterol into testosterone. Low vitamin D means your factory slows down. You start to notice lower drive, less muscle, and weaker mornings. But when your vitamin D levels rise back to normal, testosterone synthesis restarts. Your blood vessels relax, your energy rebounds, and you feel that natural morning strength returning. Now, here's a secret that most supplement labels don't tell you. Vitamin D is fat soluble, meaning it needs dietary fat to be absorbed. So, if you pop your vitamin D with just water in the morning, you're wasting most of it. Instead, take it with dinner, especially one that includes healthy fats like salmon, avocado, olive oil, or eggs. Those fats act as delivery vehicles, helping vitamin D travel into your bloodstream and then into your tissues where it can actually boost testosterone. And the timing matters. Your body performs most of its hormone repair work during deep sleep. Testosterone peaks while you rest. So, by taking vitamin D at night, you're feeding your hormonal system at the exact moment it's doing its best work. Men who consistently take vitamin D correctly often tell me, Doc, my mornings feel different, stronger, steadier, more like me again. And it's not just about the physical part, it's about confidence. When you wake up with that natural strength, it sets the tone for your entire day. 2. Magnesium, the deep sleep powerhouse. If vitamin D is the foreman, magnesium is the electrician, quietly keeping everything running smoothly behind the scenes. Magnesium is involved in over 300 biochemical reactions, including testosterone production, muscle relaxation, and nerve signaling. When your magnesium is low, your body struggles to create and use testosterone efficiently. Even the testosterone you do produce becomes less available because magnesium helps convert it into free testosterone, the form your body can actually use. And that's not all. Magnesium keeps your arteries flexible by relaxing the smooth muscle inside their walls. When arteries stiffen, blood flow slows, and firm erections become harder to achieve. Restore your magnesium, and you restore that easy, natural blood flow your body depends on. Here's why taking it at night is so powerful. Magnesium is known as the relaxation mineral. It calms your muscles, eases tension, and tells your nervous system it's safe to unwind. That means deeper sleep. And deep sleep is when your testosterone factory does its best work. So, magnesium before bed creates a double benefit. You sleep better and your hormones recover stronger. Plus, many men over 50 deal with restless sleep, nighttime cramps, or waking up too early. A proper magnesium level smooths all that out, keeping blood sugar steady, muscles calm, and the nervous system balanced. I've seen countless patients who added 200,400 milligrams of magnesium glycinate before bed, and within weeks noticed not just better sleep, but stronger mornings, steadier moods, and more daytime energy. Remember, better sleep equals more testosterone, and more testosterone equals better performance physically and mentally. 1. Vitamin C, the circulation guardian. Most people think of vitamin C only for immunity, but for men, it's one of the most underrated circulation boosters on the planet. Vitamin C helps your body create nitric oxide, the compound that relaxes blood vessels and allows blood to surge where it's needed. Without nitric oxide, even strong desire can't translate into firmness. It also protects your arteries from oxidative stress, the gradual damage caused by free radicals and inflammation. Think of it like rust on metal. Over time, that oxidative stress stiffens vessel walls, narrowing the pipes that carry blood. Vitamin C neutralizes that rust, keeping your blood vessels supple, elastic, and efficient. Inside the testes, vitamin C acts like armor, shielding the delicate cells that produce testosterone. That protection means steadier hormone levels, less fatigue, and improved recovery. Because vitamin C is water-soluble, your body doesn't store it. It uses what it needs and flushes the rest. So instead of taking one big dose in the morning, it's better to split it, half in the morning, half at night. That keeps a steady supply of antioxidants working around the clock, protecting circulation and hormone health 24 hours a day. Many of my patients notice subtle but powerful changes. Warmer hands and feet, improved stamina during exercise, faster recovery, and yes, stronger morning erections. Let's connect the dots. Vitamin D primes your hormone machinery. Magnesium calms your body and powers deep sleep testosterone production. Vitamin C keeps your blood vessels young, flexible, and open. Together, they create the perfect overnight environment for stronger mornings. Here's how to take them effectively. During dinner, take your vitamin D with a meal that includes healthy fats. This improves absorption and syncs with your body's nighttime hormone rhythm. 30 minutes before bed, take magnesium glycinate, not oxide or citrate. They can upset your stomach, it will relax your muscles and help you fall into deeper, more restorative sleep. Split your vitamin C, half in the morning, half at night. Keep your antioxidant defense steady all day and night. Add consistency. Most men notice changes within 3 to 4 weeks, but the real transformation happens over months as your body rebuilds its internal balance. Support these vitamins with basics. Drink enough water, eat real food, move your body, and avoid excessive alcohol or late-night sugar spikes. Remember, vitamins can't outwork a poor lifestyle. They amplify a healthy one. Now, if you're sitting there thinking, Doc, maybe it's too late for me, let me stop you right there. I've treated men in their 60 seconds and 70 seconds who thought the same. And within weeks of correcting these simple deficiencies, their bodies reminded them just how capable they still are. Age does change our chemistry, yes, but it doesn't erase your body's design. You were built to be strong, responsive, and confident. Sometimes all it takes is giving your body back what time and routine have quietly taken away. Each morning, you wake up feeling a bit stronger, a bit more like yourself, that's proof that your system is rebuilding. And that confidence ripples into everything: your posture, your mood, your relationships, your drive. So here's my challenge to you tonight: take that first small step, add vitamin D with dinner, take your magnesium before bed, keep your vitamin C steady, give your body the nutrients it's been missing, and let sleep do the rest. Because age is not the end of vitality, it's the start of wisdom. And with the right support, that wisdom can come with strength, confidence, and the quiet pride of a body that still works exactly as nature intended. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more clear science-based advice from me, Dr. Norah Haines, Bar Senior Man's Health, and share this video with a friend who could use a reminder that his best years aren't behind him, they're waiting to be reawakened. Thank you for watching. Take care of yourself tonight, and I'll see you in the next